In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a plugin on the Figma community page. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to figma.com/community. This is Figma's official community hub where you can explore a wide range of resources created for designers and teams, including plugins, files, and templates. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until you can clearly see the main layout and the search area. Once you're on the community page, look for the search bar. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you need, especially if you already know the name of the plugin you want. If you don't know the exact plugin name, that's completely fine. You can also search by category or by a general keyword related to the task you want help with. For example, you might search for something based on design systems, icons, accessibility, prototyping, or any other workflow you're trying to improve. Click into the search bar and type in the plugin name or the category you're looking for. As you enter your search, try to be as specific as possible, since that can help narrow down the results and make it easier to find the right plugin quickly. After typing, let the search results load and review the options that appear on the page. In the search results, you'll see different plugin thumbnails. These thumbnails usually give you a quick visual preview, along with the plugin name and sometimes a short description. Take a moment to scan through the results so you can identify the plugin that best matches what you searched for. When you find the one you want, click on the plugin thumbnail in the search results. This will open the plugins page where you can view more details about it. From there, you can usually learn more about what the plugin does, who created it, and whether it fits your needs before moving forward. That's all you need to do to find a plugin on the Figma community page. The key is to start from the official community website, use the search bar thoughtfully, and then open the plugin thumbnail that matches your search. If you're following along, pause here once you've opened the correct plugin page and you'll be ready for the next part of the process.